Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is having an amazing day today. As you read by the title, we are going to be doing our Boxycharm from December of 2020. This is the end of the year box. So I'm super excited to come in here and see what we received. First of all, if you are new to my channel, I would like to say hi. I'm Becca. It's so good to see you. I'm glad you clicked on this video to see what I had to say. I am doing a new setup, so we are seeing and testing. With my Boxycharms, I always do a recap of the previous box. So, as I was saying, if you are new to my channel, please do take a second and think about subscribing. It really does help my channel out, and I would greatly appreciate it. So for November, we got Variation 17. Our box retailed for $194. In there, we received the Natasha Denona Peak palette. That is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. I actually do like this palette. There's many looks you can do with this. I thought when I first got it that it would be just basically consumed by a couple of looks here or there, but you can really do quite a few. You can do a matte white with the brown, white with the orange. You know, this pinkish color does come off a little darker than it looks in the pan, but either way, it is a super nice palette, and I'm glad that I did receive it. The second thing we got was the Volumizing, the Snow Mushroom Water Serum. Now, I have been using this. I do like it. It does make your skin soft. It's not sticky. It's not greasy. So, I really do like this. Then, the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. I got mine in shade 4, which is a brown. I am also wearing that today. Anything that we got last month, I do try to put on my face when I do the next month's box, so that y'all can see how it performs, if I'm still using it, if I'm using it at all. So the next thing was the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 polishing mask. Now, I had tried the Yensa primer and I was not a fan of that. So when I got this, I was a bit skeptical, but this is super nice, and it's weird for it being an exfoliator. Most exfoliators, you use them, you can feel the grit the whole way through. With this one, the more you rub, the smoother it gets. The grit goes away, you don't feel it anymore, and then it's just like a face wash. So it really surprised me. I am still using it, and I really do like that. The next thing we had gotten was the Jekyll Black Liquid Corrector 2.0. Now, when I first got this, I will say I'd never used a color corrector other than like a red lipstick to cancel out black dark circles under my eyes. With this, you need to put it on a little amount. A little goes a far ways, and it's under your eye. So keep that in mind. You don't want to layer and layer and layer and layer more things under your eyes than necessary. So with this, you put a little bit on, wait a few minutes, and then blend it out with your finger. That is the best way that I have found to use it, and then it really works. I will say, don't put this on your eyelids, especially if you have oily eyelids. It does horrible things to your eyeshadow, but all in all, I do like this, and it does do exactly what it says. So last month's box I was very excited for, and I am still using all of my products from then. So let's go ahead and get into December's box, because I can't wait to see what we got. It's the end of the year. Most of the end of the year items are usually good things, especially in subscription boxes. So when you open it, this is the $25 base box. It is always going to be red. Like I said, it retails for $25 a month, and I believe you're supposed to get well over $125 worth of product in your box. So there's our card, and there's a little sneak peek. So our card this month says Bubbles and Glitz. It is a very pretty card. It does go with Christmas vibes. I did get variation 51. So let's see what we got. Oh, I got the palette I wanted. It's funny too, because I almost ordered this palette on pop-up. So I got the Artist Couture Caliente palette. Turn up the heat and get ready to feel the Caliente fantasy. This palette features 5 buttery mattes, 2 richly pigmented metallics, and 1 multi-dimensional high pearl shade. These colors have been carefully curated to design wearable, vibrant, and colorful looks. Transform your eyes with the versatile Glow Getter approved palette. This retails for $30. So this is what it looks like on the outside. It does have the names of all the shades on the back. It did not come in a box. And then when you open it, it is a plastic palette, hard plastic palette. It does have Artist Couture on the mirror, and then those are the shades that are in it. Now I think this palette is just beautiful. I know my girlfriend from Unfiltered 50s, Miss Jeannie, would love this palette also. This is so her kind of vibe thing, so I'll have to watch her video now and see if she got this palette. But I'm super excited that I got it, and I can't wait to do a look with that. So $30 palette. The next thing is the Glamnetic eyeshadow. I'm stuck on eyeshadow. The Glamnetic eyelashes, and I got mine in this style Baby Girl. This is what I picked. You do get to pick one item on choice day. And of course this did come with the liquid magnetic liner also. So they go hand in hand. That is what the lashes look like. They are very pretty, very fluffy, very full. And it says, get ready to be spoiled. The Baby Girl is a wispy round lash that looks natural on the eye and feels super lightweight. It's made from a high quality 100% vegan synthetic fiber and comes with a pair of lash anchors that help strengthen and hold and keep them in place. Glamnetic Magnetic Eyeliner is the magic that holds your favorite Glamnetic lashes in place all day. The innovative formula is highly pigmented, requires minimal waiting time, and provides all-day hold. And these retail for $63. Now, I have not tried these. I know that I'm a little uneasy when it comes to magnetic lashes. I did try the Kiss brand of lashes. They were very heavy. They felt very weird. So we will see how these do, and I will let y'all know. So so $63 pair of lashes along with our little palette and the eyeliner. The next thing is the Tarte Man-Eater Mascara. Warning, maximum compliments ahead with this volumizing, lengthening, and curling mascara with a soft flex brush and lightweight triple black formula. And this retails for $23. I'm not going to open it yet. I do have a small sample of this somewhere open. So I don't, is that it? Yeah. I don't want to open the full size. I will take it out and show you what the bristles look like. So that is what the wand looks like. It's very cute, it's very thick. I do rather enjoy this mascara, so I am glad I have a full new one in backup. And like I said, that retailed for $23 if I didn't say that. The next thing we have is from MAC Cosmetics. This is the Cream Sheen lipstick. Meet MAC lipstick, the iconic product that made MAC famous. Creamy, balmy formula. Features a comforting feel, medium buildable coverage, and a semi-glossy finish. And this retails for $19. I got mine in the shade Fanfare. I do not own any MAC lipsticks, so I'm super excited to get this and try it out. I do love their packaging. It almost reminds me of the Jeffree Star lip balm. Very close in packaging, very sleek, pretty. So let's see the color. Oh, that's not bad. So that wasn't bad. That does retail for $19, like I said. And then the last thing in here is from Butter London. This is the Melt Away Cuticle Exfoliator. Gently remove dry, overgrown cuticles in seconds and reveal softer and healthier looking cuticles over time. Retails for $18. I do my own nails, so I'm super excited to try this out. And I know that Butter London is said to be a good brand, so I've not tried it, never even heard of it, so we will give it a shot and see what I think. So we got a cuticle exfoliator, a lipstick, some lashes, some mascara, some lashes and liner, and the palette for this month. And altogether this came up to $153. So I'm super excited and super happy about my box. I'm super glad that I did not buy this in pop-up because it had been in my cart twice and I passed on it both times. So I'm super happy that I still ended up with it. So do comment down below. Let me know what you got in your base box this month. Let me know if you were happy with it. What palette did you end up getting? Have you tried any of the products that I showed you today? Like I said, if you are new here, please do take a minute. Think about subscribing to the channel. Give this video a big like. It does help my channel out. Tells YouTube that people do care about what I say. And until next time, guys, I love y'all. Bye.